singing.
I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. Summer to see, Nashville, Tennessee, then Madison, Wisconsin is where I gotta be. Then I'll take a plane. Well, actually, I'm afraid to flash, so I can take a train. Let's go, go, go. One, two, three, New Jersey, Fairfield, Kentucky, maybe Tennessee, Jackson, Mississippi. Let's see what they can show me. In Jefferson City, Missouri, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Denver, Colorado, Louisiana, I love it every time that I go. Unfortunately, I get to be so the ocean blue, but the next week I'll say Columbus in Ohio. Grab a little sunshine, down in Florida, take a bite of a peach in Atlanta, Georgia. I've never been to Carson City in Nevada, or Lincoln, Nebraska. You can catch me in Phoenix, Arizona, or Sacramento, California, yeah. St. Paul, Minnesota, maybe Juneau, Alaska, yeah. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. Boston, Massachusetts, Concord, New Hampshire. Going to Vermont from Montpelier. Montgomery, Alabama, to Washington, D.C. to see the nation's capital. All down to Honolulu, Hawaii, to the land so peaceful to me. Going to Springfield, going to a little house on the prairie. And little rock, Arkansas, I love what I saw. Going back to Delaware, because I want Indianapolis, Indiana, and Hartford, Connecticut, and Alcorn, spending 5 days in Augusta, Maine. I like Topeka, Kansas, I'm glad that I came, but I've never been to Salt Lake City, in Utah, Richmond, Virginia. Gonna see Bismarck, North Dakota, and Charleston, West Virginia, yeah. And Memphis, Maryland, maybe Lansing, Michigan, yeah. Helena, Montana, Columbia, South Carolina, Florida, Pierre, South Dakota, yeah. I'll be in your banana in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Taking that from my planner. Venezuela, gotta come sooner to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. So I guess I'm gonna. First I'm going to Cheyenne, I'm going with the party in Raleigh, North Carolina. First go to Pennsylvania, then go around to Pennsylvania. So I'm skipping to Salem, Oregon, then Austin, Texas, and maybe I'll go for breakfast. College, Rhode Island was a blast, and Olympia, Washington is just the bestest. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour without a care. I want to take a little trip somewhere, yeah. Places I've never been, yeah. Going on a tour.
Hey, you guys are doing awesome today. Can you get the lights, please? Thank you. Okay, what are your lyrics? What do we have going on next week? Doing the states and capitals. Hayden? We have a test and quiz. So what do you think you're going to be doing? You're going to be studying. So today we are going to be reviewing our state capitals. Okay? Hold on. Hold your hands down, please. Thank you. So, this is a political map of the United States of America. Have we seen this before?
No.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. We've been reviewing it. So, it looks a little bit different in our history book. So, each of the states are in different colors to help them stand out. Does anyone know what this state is? Caleb. Florida. Awesome. Good job. So, like I said earlier, we're just reviewing for next week so we can make sure everyone gets good grades. So, each state has a capital where the Senate, governor, and congressperson works to pass laws. What building is this? Someone raise their hand and read this little part right there. Lillian, nice and loud, please.
The Capitol building is in Washington, D.C. is pictured above.
Awesome. This is the Capitol building, and where? Where did Lillian say it was at? Eli.
Washington.
Washington. Awesome. So, each capital of the city is represented by a star on the political maps. What state is this? It says it right there, nice and big, Cameron. Oklahoma. Awesome. So the city location description starts with the city, followed by the state. So, for example, the capital of Oklahoma is, we've been learning about this, Michael, Oklahoma City. So, what state do we live in? What state do we live in? Riley?
Arizona.
Arizona. Awesome, good job. And what is the capital of Arizona? Oscar? Phoenix. Good job. How many state capitals do you think you already know? How many? Just tell me. It's okay. There's no right or wrong answer. Gideon, how many do you think you know?
All of them?
All of them? You know all 50? So if I give you a map, a blank map, you think you can list them all out right now? Awesome. I like the confidence. What about you, Leo?
3.
3? What 3?
Arizona, Oklahoma, Tennessee.
Tennessee? Okay, cool. What about you, Riley?
All of them.
All of them? Awesome. And one more. How about someone from team 1, from table 1? What about you, Ario? How many do you think you know? 30? Okay. Okay. So, right now we're going to be looking at some examples of the capital cities across the United States. Does anyone know what region our upcoming quiz is going to have exactly? What region of the United States? Cameron, what do you think?
The Northeast?
The Northeast? Not entirely. Close, though. We are in the test. We are. What about you, Hayden?
The Southeast?
The Southeast. Good job. So, we're going to be reviewing the Southeast region of the United States. So, I'm going to be calling out some random stuff for you guys to be answering. No excuse on to get it wrong. So, you're wearing a jacket right now. I want you to raise your hand and tell me the capital. The capital. Matthias. And what is Alabama exactly? Is it the state or the capital? The state. Good job. You're wearing glasses. Why don't you tell me the state? The state. I like that, Riley. Raise your hand and tell me the state. The state. Hayden?
Arkansas?
Arkansas. And what's the capital? Someone who's wearing blue right now. Tell me the capital. Someone. Ooh, everyone's raising their hands. Awesome. Caleb, what's yours? Little Rock. And what's the state? One more time. Arkansas. Good job. What about this state? What's this state? It's labeled nice and big. CJ. So what's the state? Just the state.
Florida.
Florida. And someone help him out with the capital, Michael? Tallahassee. Tallahassee. What is this state? Look at the picture. It's in pink. Leo. What's the state? Kentucky. And what is the capital? What is the capital? Elise. Frankfurt. Awesome. So just reviewing, just going over this one more time. You guys have seen it in multiple ways, but instead I want to do something a little bit different. So, how about the state for this one? What is the state? What is the outline of the state? It's a little bit different than what we've been viewing. Oscar? Louisiana. And how about the capital? What is the capital? How about you, Andrea? So we know the state's Louisiana. What's the capital? Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge. Okay, let's continue. How about this state? Nice and blue. Michael. Georgia. And what is the capital? Someone from table 4. What's the capital? Oscar. Atlanta. Good job, guys. What's the state? Jeremiah. Mississippi. And what is the capital, RAO? Jackson. Next one. Someone tell me the capital. Raise your hand nice and high for the capital. Ooh, good job. Riley. Riley, awesome. And what is the state? What is the state? Mia.
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Great job, guys. Next one, we have another one. What is the state? Gideon.
Tennessee.
Tennessee. And the capital is Jeremiah. Nashville. Good job, guys. Okay, we're on a few more. Let's do the capital for this picture of Eli. Columbus. And what is the state? What is the state? Michael. South Carolina. What is the state? The state. Hayden.
Richmond.
Richmond. And the. Sorry. What is this? What is the capital? Lillian.
Richmond.
Richmond. What is the state? What is the state? Caleb. And what is the state? Ooh, what is the state? What's the state? CJ? West Virginia. Just want to see if I can trick you. And what's the capital? What's the capital now? Jeremiah? Charleston. Okay, so here's a list of all 50. Are we testing on this right now next week?
No.
No. Not yet. Not yet. We're doing the Southeast region first. So, right now, that is all we have for the PowerPoint, but first I want to share a postcard that was mailed from somewhere. When looking at this image, where do you think this postcard is from? Raise your hand. Where, what state? What do you think? So first, wait, first raise your hand. What is the image of? What is the image of? Asthma?
Dressage.
Dressage, okay. What else is going on in this picture? What else do you notice when first looking at it? Andrea? People riding horses? Now, we know the state. I know you can see a little bit of it. So, Lillian, nice and loud, tell us what state is this?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. So, this is a postcard from another school that was mailed to our school. So I'm going to read it out loud, okay? Everyone have your listening ears on. Hello from Kentucky. This is Miss Clower's second grade class. Obviously in fourth grade, but it's still cool that a second grade class sent us this. Our school is Old Mill Elementary. We are located in Mount Washington, Kentucky. The capital of Kentucky is what? What is the capital of Kentucky, Arlise? Frankfort. Kentucky is a southeast state bordered by the Ohio River. Louisville is the home of the Kentucky Derby. So, what is this image of? The Kentucky Derby. This horse race is held at Churchill Downs, which is only about 30 minutes from our school. We have 4 seasons: winter, fall, summer, and spring. Right now we are gearing up for spring. The weather feels amazing. Hope you all get the chance to come and visit the cool state of Kentucky. Your koala friends at Old Mill Elementary. So wait, really quick. If you heard koala, what do you think that is in connection with their school? Riley?
I think that's like the theme of their classroom.
The theme of their classroom? So what's our mascot? What did we used to do before the wheel when we used to have reading? Eagles. What is an eagle representing for our school? For someone raise their hand and tell me. What do you think, Lillian?
It's like our mascot.
It's our mascot. So what do you think their mascot is? A koala bear. So, now that that's... Should we read one more? Would you like to hear one more?
Yeah.
Okay. There's another one.
How many lines?
No. Let's see if. What?
Oh, that's
Ooh. Someone raise your hand and tell me where you think this postcard is from. Leo?
That's from
I don't want to give it away right away, so that's why I'm covering it a little bit. What city do you
San
think?
Francisco.
San Francisco, okay. What else? Someone from table 3. What do you think, Eli? State. Nevada, okay. What about you, Riley?
Looks like California because that kind of looks like I don't know what beach or.
Okay, and someone from table 1. Where do you think this is from? Michael. Just say the state. What state do you think it's from? Or what capital? Sacramento, okay. Well, okay, put your hands down. It is from Tennessee.
Really?
Yes, this is from Memphis, Tennessee. Okay.
That's pretty.
The first thing at the very top says Alex was here. So, who do you think wrote this postcard from their class? Alex. Okay. Hello from Tennessee. In the beginning, Tennessee was inhabited by the Cherokee people. We became a state on June 1st, 1796. Tennessee is home to 6.83 million people, making it the 16th largest state by population. We are landlocked and are tied with Missouri as having the most neighborly states. We are bordered by 8 other states. So, how many states are around them? 8.
That's crazy.
Nashville is our capital. Our highest elevation point in Clingman's Dome is located in the Great Smoky Mountains. It is 6,643 feet above sea level. Our lowest elevation point is in the Mississippi River at 178 feet above sea level. The largest earthquake in American history happened in the winter of 1811, which formed Redfoot Lake. In Memphis, we have Elvis Presley Graceland, which is the second most visited house in the country, and the National Civil Rights Museum, where visitors can learn about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and the American Civil Rights Movement. So how can we connect that? What are we learning currently in history? Oscar. Civil rights. What else about? Did I kind of touch a little bit of everything that we've been reading about in history? Who is the famous person that I just mentioned? Starts with Dr. Aria O. Awesome. So, they also have the biggest aquarium with the biggest freshwater aquarium in the world. Our state is filled with music, from being the birthplace of rock and roll and the house of blues. You'll find a connection to the music if you ever come to visit. From Miss Bolton's 4th grade class. Wow. So, really quick, one more time. What are the 2 states that we read? Well, I read the postcards out loud from. What was this one from? Jeremiah? Kentucky. And what about this one? What is the one that I just read out loud? Leo? Tennessee. Okay. What's something that you guys remembered that I mentioned from the postcards? Something that we just learned through the PowerPoint. Well, we didn't just learn it, we were reviewing it. We were learning about the state and the what. Both of these things are mentioned in the postcards. Massimo. State and capital. So, now we are going to practice. Everyone show me your pencil. Show me your pencil. Close your history books. Close your history books. Close your history books. So, this is a map. What's labeled on the map? The states. So what do you think you have to do in the bottom? List out the, Gideon?
Capitals.
List out the capitals. Great job. So, I'm going to pass this out. This is no talking. I want you to try your best, okay? Then I will review it, and then you'll turn it in. I'll see what you got right and wrong, and then I'll give it back to you to make corrections. What is the very first thing that you do when you get your paper? Because there's no line for this. There's no line. Eli?
Write your name.
Write your name. I want to see your best penmanship, and this is still in cursive. Are there any more questions before I pass them out? Change those frowns upside down. We've been doing cursive for a few days now. We're almost at our first week. Andrea, you have a question? What's up? Just, you gotta do this. You're gonna have to take a quiz for it eventually, and then a test. So we're practicing now. What's up, Eli?
Do we go?
Nope, just stay at your desk really quick and just write your name, fill in the capitals, and turn it into the desk. What's up, Leo?
What if you don't know any?
Try to. Try to recall. Recall back to the memory. Recall it to when we were just going through the PowerPoint. Try your best. Write your name and then begin. What's up, Eli?
Just like, if you get 100, does it go in your face?
Just do it. Right now we're just working on ensuring that we know the capitals and labeling the state. This is what your quiz is going to look like. Sorry, Riley. What's up, Lillian?
Are you going to put that on?
I'll just make sure no one looks right now. Thank you, though. Just try your best. Think back to your song. Think back to our state song. Think back to the PowerPoint. Sing the song in your head if you have to. You should be using pencils so we can make corrections because this can be used as a study guide for next week when we start to take the quiz. With that,
Did you put the capital?
yes.
What if you know the capital, but like you just don't know how to spell it?
Okay, so right now just try your best to spell it, but when it comes to the quiz and test, you'll need to learn how to spell it. Okay, so just try your best right now. If you can't, if you know it and you really just can't know how to, you don't know how to spell it, that's okay. Just try to sound it out to your best of your ability. Is anyone finished currently, or we still have like a few more blank? Still see a few. Should keep your eyes on your own paper right now and just try your best. What's up, Michael? So Alabama's pouring right here. It's just the line didn't go all the way. There you go. To write this one. Come. Okay, keep trying to keep recalling to the PowerPoint. It's okay, take a deep breath. It's not a quiz right now, it's for a study guide. Try to recall. Yes. Yeah, the line doesn't go all the way. Kind of got you confused too. Alexa, set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay. This is from we're gonna have this and down. So we will listen to you're going to connect your journey. So that's why we just once the timer comes on, still have more than you. You're done? Okay, hold on to it really quick, okay? You can color it if you want. If you're done labeling right now, that's okay if you didn't finish all the capitals, you can start coloring the states. Color each individual state a different color.
You have less than 10 seconds left on the 2-minute timer.
Oh, Alexa, stop timer. Okay, hands on top, please stop, please stop. Everyone look at me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. Okay. I know a few of you were stressing out a little bit about this, so we're gonna do something right now. I want you to take your pencil. Take your pencil. I want you to count up the total capitals that you wrote down. And write the number in the top right hand of your corner. So write the number that you wrote down. 4. Okay, awesome. Now, I want you to get your assignment slip out. Get your assignment slip. Your assignment slip. You don't have one? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I'll just show you the pages. Now take out your history book. Take out your history book. Turn to the back of the book with the maps. 529 to 532. 529, 532. So go through the pages and look for the Southeast region, which is actually page 531. 531 is the Southeast region. I want you to take a different colored writing utensil, meaning a pen. You don't have one? It's okay, you guys can get a green one or ask a neighbor. You're getting a different colored writing utensil. So that means a pen. No highlighters, please. Get out a pen. Different colored pen. Show me your pen. Show me your pen so we're ready to go. Which team's ready to rock and roll? Get out a pen. If you need to get up and get one, it's okay. You can get up and get one right now. Gentlemen, with ice. Okay. 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 Now that you got your pen, I want you to look on page 531 and write the correct capital. It's okay. We're fixing the study guide, so just double check it. If you already wrote down all the capitals, just double check it now. And if you're done with double checking it, go ahead and begin coloring. Yes, if you have the wrong capital, erase it and write it with the other writing utensil. Make sure it's legible that you can read Yep, write the rest. Fill in the rest. Fill in the whole entire list, 1 through 12. If you got them wrong, it's okay. So we're correcting it right now. Make sure you spell it correctly. Bit. It's not taking your grade, it's just for you to help you study. Hey, Jeremiah needs to be in cursive. It's okay, just continue the rest of your in cursive, okay? It's okay. Just remember, guys, this is in cursive. If you're writing in print with your pen, just write the rest with cursive. It's okay. Finished. Okay, once you're finished, keep coloring your seats. Ooh, good job. Good Evelyn.
For number 7, it kind of messed me up.
Okay, is it the arrow?
No, like this one, because I thought on the PowerPoint on the board it said Columbus. That's what.
And what does it say on here?
Columbus.
Huh. Yeah, the PowerPoint was written wrong.
Wait, what pages were it? It said Columbus.
531? 531? We'll have to look in the textbooks on 531. But you guys are keeping this, so just set it aside and just go ahead and begin coloring it. If you're finished with making your corrections, begin coloring your states. You get up and get some markers, your crayons. You can shade them with your pencil like a few boys are doing in here. Class. Okay, I want you to finish up your labeling, your corrections. And if you're done coloring, if you're not done coloring, that's okay. But once you're finished, I want you to quietly get up and put your paper in the cart next to my desk. And I'm gonna check them and then I'll give them back to you for your study. As of now,